Starting over with nothing, no savings, no job? Imagine building a substantial financial foundation from scratch in today's world. This isn't about luck. It's a step-by-step approach to cultivate lasting financial well-being. In this guide, I'll share the precise strategy I'd implement right now, given the current economic landscape, to move from ground zero towards a significant financial milestone. Let's establish some fundamental principles for this journey. We're focusing on sustainable growth through consistent effort and informed decisions, laying the groundwork for a secure financial future. Step 1. Generating initial cash flow quickly. When you're beginning without existing capital, the initial focus is on establishing a reliable income stream to meet your immediate needs and accumulate capital. This isn't about finding your passion project right away. It's about practicality. Your primary goal is to create a financial safety net, even a small one, as quickly as possible. This initial income provides breathing room, reduces financial stress, and builds the confidence needed for the next steps. My starting point would be leveraging skill-based independent work. Think about offering your abilities in areas like video editing, content creation, social media support, or even basic graphic design using free tools like Canva. The beauty of these avenues is the minimal initial investment required and the potential to connect with clients online within a short time frame through platforms designed for freelancers. Even if you don't possess highly technical skills initially, there are numerous accessible avenues for generating income. Consider opportunities in the gig economy, such as providing delivery services, sourcing and reselling various items, or offering basic virtual assistants. These types of roles can provide an initial income of several hundred to $1,000 each month, offering immediate financial support. These roles also teach valuable lessons in time management and customer service, skills that are transferable to any future venture. This initial phase is crucial for establishing a stable financial base and providing the resources for future growth. Step 2. Developing high-value skills for growth. While generating quick income provides the initial momentum, developing specialized, high-demand skills is what truly accelerates your financial progress. I would strategically choose one skill that is currently highly valued in the market. Fields like digital marketing, software development basics, effective sales techniques, or financial guidance offer significant earning potential. The internet offers a wealth of resources for this. You can start with free tutorials on platforms like YouTube to grasp the fundamentals. As you progress, consider investing in structured online courses to deepen your knowledge. The most crucial part is to apply what you learn. Create a portfolio of your work, even if it's for practice projects. This tangible proof of your ability is what will attract higher-paying opportunities. Instead of being distracted by fleeting trends, I would dedicate my time and energy to mastering a skill that has the potential to substantially increase my earning capacity over time. This involves continuous learning and practice. The aim is to become proficient in a skill that allows you to offer valuable services, thereby commanding higher compensation and building a more secure financial future. This focused skill development is a long-term strategy for exponential income growth. Step 3. Building diversified income streams. Once a consistent income is established through your primary skill, the next step is to strategically create multiple supplementary income streams. A practical approach would be to start a content platform, such as a channel focused on daily life, skill development, or related helpful topics. The key is to consistently provide value to a specific audience. For example, if your high-income skill is digital marketing, your content could offer helpful tips for small businesses. Once you've built a small community, you can introduce a simple digital resource, like a checklist or a basic planner that generates revenue. This creates a relationship built on trust, where your audience is receptive to your offerings because you've already helped them for free.
The initial objective isn't to immediately replace your primary income. Instead, it's about establishing smaller, consistent income sources that gradually accumulate. Think of generating a few $100s here and $1,000 there from various avenues. Over a period of months and years, these smaller streams can evolve into substantial contributors to your overall financial well-being, providing greater financial security and accelerating your progress. This diversification reduces reliance on a single income source and enhances overall financial resilience. Step 4. Strategic and consistent investing. With a stable income and some accumulated capital, the focus shifts towards building long-term wealth through strategic investing. I would adopt a straightforward yet effective investment approach. I would prioritize contributing to tax-advantaged retirement accounts. For long-term growth, I would utilize low-cost, diversified investment vehicles, such as broad market index funds. Think of an index fund as a single purchase that gives you a small piece of many of the largest, most established companies. This diversification helps manage risk compared to picking individual stocks. As capital grows, exploring opportunities in tangible assets like real estate could be considered. The key principle here is consistent investment over time, regardless of market fluctuations. Investing through financial progress is often about discipline and patience, not about trying to time the market perfectly. It's about being in the market for the long haul. This approach is designed to leverage the power of compounding growth over many years, which is a core principle of sound financial planning, rather than relying on high-risk speculative ventures. Step 5. Expanding through ownership and assets. To significantly accelerate the journey towards substantial financial success, the focus eventually needs to shift towards ownership. This could involve establishing a business, acquiring equity in ventures, or investing directly in income-generating assets. Relying solely on employment income has limitations for significant wealth creation because employment income is often linear. You trade a set amount of time for a set amount of pay. Ownership introduces the potential for nonlinear growth. For example, a freelance video editor can only work so many hours, but if they build a reputation, hire another editor, and create a small agency, they are now earning from their own work and the work of others. That's the power of building a system or an asset. For me, this might involve scaling a content platform, developing more comprehensive digital offerings, or strategically investing in real estate opportunities. The fundamental understanding is that you transition from primarily selling your time to owning and growing assets that work for you. So there you have it. What's the very first step you're inspired to take on your own journey towards greater financial well-being? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance.